Hello, allow us to introduce ourselves to you so you have an idea of whom you are dealing with. Welcome to yet another no-thrills video taken by John, Joanna, or Poppy for our site bg.house. The company name is Nyama Problemi, which when translated, means no problems. Our property website is www.bg.house. All properties offered to you are 100% freehold, and we have been selling properties for 20 years, so we have all the experience to help in any situation. Our main office is located in the town of Popovo. Popovo is a small but busy town with a village-like community with a feel and outlook, which of course is a very safe environment to live, work and play. Whether as a retiree, young couple, or even as a child attending school, there is a lot to be said for the area of Popovo, which is in Targovishte. As Bulgarian edges closer to adopting the euro, property prices are on the move. Although there are some low-end investments still being offered on the market, these days they are becoming less and less as the prices are on the rise. As you watch the videos of these low-end properties, you may find yourself shocked by the state of the properties or the grounds, with literally rubbish left behind as they had not been cleaned out prior to being offered for sale. Or the gardens are all overgrown. Well, believe it or not, that is very good news for any low-end investor or purchaser. This means you are looking at a property with the scope to make a profit or buy it at its absolute lowest market price, with no more than a few days' work cleaning and moving rubbish. The property itself can be resold at a profit. Without a massive outlay on repairs, this is just one way to make a profit with ease. We are always on hand to offer advice if needed. On the other hand, there is an unbelievable demand for finished properties that are ready to move into. So again, the real estate market is well worth looking into. There seems to be something for everybody. Please subscribe to our channel below and visit our website and see what there is for you.
This property needs work and an open mind. The price is very low. Brought to you by www.bg.house. Are you dreaming of owning a charming house in the quaint countryside of Bulgaria? Look no further. We have the perfect property for you, a lovely Bulgarian house for sale in the village of Kovachevets, only 10 kilometers away from the bustling town of Popovo in the Targovishte region. This beautiful house is also conveniently located 70 kilometers from Ruse and Veliko Tarnovo, and 165 kilometers from the popular coastal city of Varna. Kovachevets is a peaceful and friendly village that boasts a picturesque lake, perfect for fishing or a relaxing stroll. The village also has all the necessary amenities, such as shops, a post office, a library, and a bus stop. It is also in close proximity to larger cities, making it a convenient location for both work and leisure. As you approach the property, you will be greeted by a spacious garden that spans over 1,700 square meters. The garden is well maintained and surrounded by big walls, providing a sense of privacy and security. There is also a barn on the property, which can be used for storage or converted into a guest house. Next to the main house, there are ruins of adjoining buildings that have the potential to be restored and turned into additional living space. Although the house has been left empty for some time, it has great potential to become a lovingly restored home. The interior may look a bit messy at the moment, but with some good hands and hard work, it can be transformed into a beautiful and cozy living space. The house also has an internal staircase, making it easy to access both floors. The main house is two-story and is built from a combination of stones and bricks. The ground floor features a corridor and 3 rooms, while the second floor has a spacious corridor and 3 more rooms. The property is south-facing, providing plenty of natural light and a beautiful view of the surroundings. With some effort and creativity, the house can be turned into a brilliant home with a charming balcony to enjoy the views. In conclusion, this lovely Bulgarian house for sale in Kovachevets village is a rare find and offers endless possibilities for its new owners. The location, architecture, and potential of this property make it a great investment opportunity for anyone looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and enjoy the peaceful countryside of Bulgaria. Don't miss this chance to make this house your own and create your dream home in a beautiful and welcoming village.